This is an instructional video for railing installation on landings and straight runs. Here are the tools you'll need for this project. First, determine the post placement. Generally, it'll be 1 to 2 inches from the edge. Installing too close to the edge may compromise your railing's durability. You'll want to make sure you're hitting the wood blocking underneath. Secure the first post and level it using shims, but keep the other post loose so that you can insert the top and bottom rails. Then measure post to post, cut the top and bottom rail, insert, and level the second post. Using the 1.5 inch self-tapping screws, fasten the top and bottom rails onto the post. Snap on the spacers for the bottom rail until you have one left. Now to get even spacing on both sides, mark where the spacers end, and slide it over to line it up with the bottom notch. This is so that the spacing will be equal on both sides. Take that measurement and divide it in half. This is now the measurement you'll need to cut the spacers at. And cut 2 spacers at the same length. A safe way to cut spacers is by cutting it while attached to a top rail. Slide the spacers on the bottom rail over and use the cut spacers as the starting pieces for the top and bottom. Insert the pickets and snap on the spacers for the top rail. Then hold the spacer against the rail and mark exactly where it ends and cut it to fit perfectly. To increase the railing's longevity, fasten the support brackets on the bottom rail. Slightly lift the railing while you fasten it using the 3/4 inch self-tapping screw. This has been 6 easy steps for railing installation.